So how do you close the iPad split screen? Let's talk about it. But before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to the Foxtecc channel because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. Now, I'm making an updated video to this because the iPadOS 26 has recently been released for the iPad and it works kind of different now. So right now you might be using your iPads in full screen, or you might be using the windowed view. And right now in iPadOS 26, if you want to go to the regular split screen, you can just grab your windows, flick it to one side and to the other, and we have the regular split screen where I have the handle in the middle and I can adjust it. This can be closed, of course, if I go to the multitasking panel. I can swipe up on those apps. That still works. But I also have the ability to get outside of the split screen by grabbing the individual windows like that. And now I go to this other windowed view where I have them laying on the top of each other. I'm using still 1, 2, 3 more apps at the same time, but it's not the split screen anymore. Technically, it's just like these like floating windows, right? So obviously that's how I can do this. Outside of that, I can still click on the 3 dots control in the top left corner of each window, make one app go full screen, minimize or close it, leaving me with just the other window, which is another way of closing the split screen multitasking. And at the end of the day, if you never want to use it again, you can go to the settings, multitasking and gestures, and switch to the full screen apps and disable any multitasking or split screen functionality, at least for a period of time, and then switch it back to the windowed apps later. Depends on how you like it, but this is how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Share some thoughts or whatever you want in the comments below. I really hope that I could help you. Stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you in the future videos.